done.
Hey, you realize we've had this thing for 6 months now? You still haven't done a van tour.
Alright, well, I guess we'll get to that. We have a 1990 Coachman Campervan. It's on a Ford E250 chassis, a 351 engine, all that kind of good stuff. Full camper setup with toilet and shower and everything. Usual stuff like the water heater. It hasn't been redone yet. We're going to take it out and redo it here soon. Got your battery box. We already redid that. Cleaned it up. Ladder on the rear here. Spare tire. That's the generator area. That's where we just keep all the extras. Let me open it up and see what's in there today. Hopefully it's organized. Probably not. Oh, it doesn't look too bad in there. Usual basic crap you need. All the windows have been resealed. Let me think here. All the good stuff we've had done to it. We got it 6 months ago. Bought it from a mechanic guy who... Got it 6 months ago. Bought it from a mechanic guy who was fixing it up for his dad who happened to have a stroke. So he couldn't finish fixing it up, but they put a new transmission in it, some new brake lines and new brakes. We got it. Mechanically, it's been pretty solid. We had to put belts on it, valve covers, valve cover gaskets on it, and just general maintenance so far. Now, unfortunately, they let the sunroof or the vent leak and it destroyed the interior. So we spent a lot of time just redoing the whole interior, and that's where we're at now. We just got it to the point where it's completely functional. Everything's been replaced except for the kitchen area and the bathroom area. We refinished the bathtub and stuff, but we didn't redo the bathtub area yet. We'll do that next season here, or once the season's over. We want to use this thing and go on more and more trips, so we're just trying to get it knocked out. All right, let's get inside and look at it. Oh, Captain Deuce wants to show you the inside. You gonna give him the tour? All right, let's give him the tour, Captain Deuce. Cupboards, potty, tub. Spin back around here and start. All right, there's your bunk area. Redid it. Walls and ceiling are done. Foam board insulation with some polywall on the outsides to make it all mildew proof, basically wipeable, easily cleanable. There's some custom lights in there, but it's bright so you can't see. Cupboards, they've been redone, nice and clean, full of the goodies. That one we're going to leave open, it's easier. It's the original microwave, but it still works, so we're going to keep on making it work. Fridge, it's new, 110. It works for our needs, so we're not going to change it quite yet. Our stove is original, 2-burner thing. Propane. Sink is still original. This we're going to replace. This we're going to pull out and clean up too. It's just been painted for now. Cupboards. The Bluety sits there. It's a AC 180. It's hooked into our shore power like that, and then we can hook into DC to we can hook into the van itself when we're driving down the road to charge it, or we can hook up to our solar. So it sits there. The tub and the toilet have been re-enameled, so they're at least been reconditioned, and we cleaned everything up out here, back here. We also have a closet for clothes. We still have a little trim to do and a lot of touch-up stuff, things like that. We are going to remodel this whole bathroom, but for now this fits our needs and everything works. The bed is pretty simple. This thing flips around like so. Ta-da! You have a bed. And that folds down. We have a couple more pieces, and that makes the bed back up there too. But I gotta put the camera down and put the bed back up. Oh, wasn't as hard as I thought. Ta-da, done. There you go up front. We got new carpet on the floor, redone. We just went with seat covers, and everything else is still in pretty good shape. We did put in a new dash system so we can have backup camera and all that kind of jazz too. Go and show you the back area yet, and then got AC too. That still works. There's a two-man job here. Let's put this. There we go. Got the fuse panel and the inverter underneath it. It's 30 years old, but it still works good. Water pumps underneath that box to keep it a little quieter. You have your water tank that we'll have all cleaned out. Insulation. All right, let's see if we can lower this back down. Flip it around.
And this entire bench had to be reupholstered, and we added some foam to give it a little more cushion because you could feel the metal bars on the corners before.
Well, I guess show you the front areas quick. That's our solar panels. One door. Passenger side. Jiminy, he's our noise coming from the AC compressor. I just haven't replaced it yet. It's the only thing mechanically we haven't replaced that, and the second gas tank. We'll get to that eventually. It's just only so much time in a day. In 6 months. Haha. Alright, the other side. And let me show you driver's side here. Oh, Captain Deuce is here. Don't jump yet. That's how you break your toes. Good job. You ready to drive again? Are you scared from breaking toes? Driver's side. We did new door cards on everything. I forgot to even. Not a big deal. New headliner, that kind of stuff. Just made it. Restomod would be the word I'd use. Just cleaned it up as best we could. And used better parts if we could find them. If we couldn't find the original. And let's finish her off with the back area here. Alright, let's close this. Captain Deuce, what are you in the potty? Oh, you in the shower? I'm sorry, Captain Deuce. We didn't mean to interrupt your shower time. That's an important time for them doggos, ain't? Like I said, the tub works. You just got to be very, very acrobatic to use it, so we're going to adjust it, or you just got to, it's not very conducive to being used, so we're going to remodel it eventually. We just got to finish hashing out what we want to do. So, well, there you be. Here's the Runaway in all of its glory. Hope you guys enjoyed it. We'll be popping out. One thing we didn't get to show you is the furnace, because it's in the middle of being repaired. I'm waiting for seals, so as soon as we get a furnace, we'll get that back in. And
Hey, real quick, before I forget, we want to do a Q&A video. So whatever your questions are, tell us what you want to know. Leave it in the comments.